Namaste everyone. You know, these days I see so many patients coming in the OPD with just one complaint. Doctor, this cough is not just going away. But not every cough is the same. A cough lasting for more than 3 weeks, it's not always a simple cold. Sometimes it's asthma, reflux, or even early signs of infection. So don't ignore a persistent cough, get it checked early. Do you or someone you know have a cough that just won't go away? Tell me in the comments. This is Dr. Pooja, a pulmonary medicine resident, reminding you to not just keep taking cough syrups. If you have persistent cough, get it checked. Thank you.